Everybody, this is Therese. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I would just like to do this impromptu makeup tutorial on what makeup products I used for to see the show Dancing to Disney. And let me show you off my dress that I wore for tonight's show. So it's pretty polka dot number. Sleeves, okay. Okay, that's the first thing. Yeah, I came back from work today just to get dressed. Obviously put my makeup on. I did some of my makeup at work too, like, you know, like face products or whatever. So, so at work, this is what I did. At work before I left work today. So I use this for everything. What I did for my foundation, I used NARS Radiant Concealer. Let me find it. As I use it as my concealer and foundation. It's right over here, the mini version. And I use ginger. So I put it all over my blemishes, or I don't have any blemishes, any like, as my, you know, my foundation. And then I use this mini brush and I dab it all over my face. And then I use this from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Glow makeup stick. It's the highlight. And I just sweep it like from here to here, here to here. Then I dab it here, here, and then with the brush, I'm like little light sweeping motions and dabbing at the same time to blend all my highlight. And then I used, what else did I use? Okay, right, I'm tripping. You don't have to use the same products that I do, so, because we all have different skin colors, skin tones, whatever. You use whatever you want to do for your cover up. If you want to use bronzer, contour, highlight, blush, whatever you want, it's up to you. But I'm just showing what I wore for tonight's show. And then I put on Wet n Wild again, Mega Glow. It's the contour shade, and this is in 806. So what I did was that I put it, so the highlight was from here to here. Then I'll show you the blush. I used two different kinds of forms of blush. And then right under the blush, I put it over here. So I just went like this with the contour stick. And then I just put it over here. Not too much, but like this. And I just blended like toward like this, the bronzer, the contour, and then like this for like a natural contour. And then here's the blushes that I used for today's performance. I did it at work. So this is a lot of wild stuff for the face area, you know what I'm saying? So, okay. Ooh, too hot. Damn. Okay. I use this this blush in this shade Peach Bumps 801A. And I just, I put it first on my cheeks, like slightly on top of right underneath the highlight, like slightly above the apples on my cheeks first, before what the heck, I'll do it again, I don't care. Like this, little dent over there, dang, oh, okay. Okay, so that's it. And then, oh, what the hell? I know I'm gonna go to bed soon. No, I'm gonna have dinner, change out of my This beautiful dress. And then I put on top of that cream blush, I used the powder blush, the blush color icon blush in mellow wine, and I put on top of the blush. Oh, what the heck? I don't care. It's a blend. A little too much. Woohoo! Should have gone on this. Tap like this. Like boom, boom. Okay. Put on top of that cream blush. Wow, fastness. Oop, did I say bad word? Oopsies. Almost really flipped the effort. Okay. That's that. And then, before I show you how I did my eyeshadow look, I used this, again, Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner in the shade Brown Black. And I just lightly lined my eyes. Okay. And then I took that highlight stick from Wet n Wild, and I just dabbed it with my fingertip, ring finger, and blended in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so that's that. So once I got home, once I found my dress, I used this old palette that I rarely use. This is Besame Cosmetics, their Snow White collection. And this one is from the Keep Singing palette, shadow palette. And I'm not gonna do it, but I'll show you how I did it. The brushes that I used. Okay, so what I did, the first thing that I did is I used the color The Fairest. And I'll show you what it looks like on my fingertip. It's like this. And so I put it on my lid with this flat shader brush right over here by Wet n Wild. So I just put on the lid right here with that flat shader brush from Wet n Wild, okay? Then I took a crease brush and I used Forest. It's right over here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So that if you want, okay, this is the Fairest that's on my lid. Okay, the next one is the Fairest. I'll show you what it looks like. It's like this shimmery forest green color. So that's, if you have a color like this, I just went ahead and, what the heck. I used that crease brush to, dab it on, I used it to, I circled it, and then I put it, like an outer V kind of a thing going on here. Okay, well, it's all right. That's okay, I'll wash my face off anyways. Okay, last but not least, I used White as Snow. It's right over here. I'll show you what it looks like. So if you want to copy this look, this is what it looks like. So any white color, cream color, off-white color. And I took a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I just put it on the highlight and the brow bone. I don't care. Make a mess, why don't I? So I just blended it with that fluffy eyeshadow brush. And then, oh well, whatever. And anything else, I didn't wear mascara. I'm not gonna bother putting false lashes. I don't have the time to do so, especially with the traffic going to Hollywood. It's a pain in the neck because there's so many people going there to Hollywood to whatever, party, not party, yeah, maybe party, or just hang out, or eat dinner, watch shows, movies, whatever. And then so on with the tutorial. Anything else? Oh yes, so my last thing that I put on, I used two things. Whoops. I don't care, I'm gonna keep going. So I finally used this. It's so beautiful. I decided, why not? It's Disney theme. Why not? We use some, some Besame Disney, Snow White products and stuff like that, since she's my favorite character. Snow White, I use Snow White red. This is what it looks like. Well, so I just put it, I just did it like, I put it on and then grabbed a tissue and blotted it like this. And then I put the lipstick in like this. I did it twice and then I blotted it. And it's not a long-lasting lipstick. Anybody who uses the BTW Cosmetics lipstick, it's not a long-lasting lipstick. It's a regular lipstick, but if you do it like that, it is going to stay long, and it did stay long. And I only one time during the show, secretly, I just used Fenty's, the MVP, that liquid lipstick, that matte liquid lipstick, just for a backup. So I dabbed that on while I was, for a touch-up, and that's it. Let me do a quick review about what did I think about Disney, Dancing with Disney. It's an amazing show. The way it is, it's like I showed you in the other video, my vlog. I showed you what the ballroom, the room looks like in the Rosevelt Hotel. It's gorgeous in person. It's my first time going inside there. Gorgeous in person, and and then you saw the stage. It's a small stage with a couple of steps and stuff like that, so everybody can see. And I ended up sitting on the second row, me and my family, and it's just a beautiful show. And they a couple times. I cried a couple of times because the song is so beautiful, along with the dancing and the choreography, and oh my gosh. Most of the time I ended up singing out, not totally out loud, but not too loud. Nobody's gonna hear me sing along with the track if I like the song and I know the song or familiar with the words. It's just really fun, and there's some kids over there. I've seen a little girl dressed up like Belle from Beauty and the Beast, and like some Disney outfits, costumes, whatever. I don't remember any other characters. I think somebody I don't think anybody dressed up as Elsa. I don't remember what other characters were there, but there was some kids, and so the dancers were amazing. Like there's the guy who did the solo for, I forgot what solo it was. I forgot what character he was playing. He was dancing. What song he was dancing to? Yeah, he handed out roses to little kids in the audience, especially in the front row. And the dancers are amazing. There's like two guys, two ladies, and it's so cool to see the show in person. And anything else? That's about it. Well, I had again, I have no idea when it is, so check it out. It's under the Fever production, and that's where I got tickets. And I saw that that show was, I don't know how long this dancing with to Disney will last here in Los Angeles, specifically in the Rosevelt Hotel, or when is the next time they're going to the next city that they're gonna perform this show in. But anything else? No, that's about it. Until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out, bye, and good night.